Hey, what's up guys? What's going on? Back at it with another video here. I'm swapping out the old halogen bulbs. I'm gonna go ahead and install some LED bulbs on the 1994 Camaro. I did not show how to take off the light assemblies themselves, just because I know I've seen a lot of other videos here on YouTube, and I would appreciate it if you go show some love to those other channels. And basically what you're gonna need is gonna be a Torx screwdriver. It'll be the T15, and I went ahead and took out the fog lights and the headlamps, the lows and the highs. Each light comes with 2 screws attached to these plates right here. You can see the right there, and then on top, and they'll be on the side of the lights. And the fog light would only have one screw on the top center, and it'll be held on with some plastic pins on each side. That's basically it, but go ahead and check out those videos on how to remove the headlights. And I'm gonna go ahead and be using the same housings. They do not make these LED bulbs direct replacement for these, so I'm gonna have to fabricate something just to hold the LED bulb inside the housing itself on the highs and the lows. On the good side of the fog lights, these do come off. Let me show you right here. And this is the old bulb, and you just twist and pull, and the same thing to install. These are plug and play. These are for the fog lights, and these are going to be $8.85 if you want to replace those. And that's gonna be it. I'll just go ahead and show you the video of how it looks, and if you like it, make sure to leave your thumbs up, leave a comment if you like, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Check it out guys, I have the low beam already plugged in. Some of these actually, if the light doesn't, you might want to test it before you install it back in the car. But like I said, these you might want to like connect it, and if it doesn't turn on, just switch it around and check it again. It should be able to light up. But there you have it guys. You see, that's how I sealed it up. That way it won't come off or they won't move while I'm driving. And Let me show you real quick how it looks. Let me go turn on the car. Alright, check it out. There you have the LED. And that's pretty bright, I might say. It looks 10,000 times much better. I recommend you checking out videos on how to do this installation. There's other videos here on YouTube. Go ahead and check those out. And if you do not want to make it difficult on yourself, go ahead and check out eBay. They actually sell a kit that already comes with the housing. It's I believe it's called Euro style for the Camaro 93 to the 97. And those you don't have to do any modifications like this. It's a little bit above $100, but it comes with the 4 headlights and some bulbs, but they're not LEDs, so you'll have to buy the LED separately. But you wouldn't have to do this any other modification. You'll just have to plug and play. I did this because, one, it's a lot cheaper, but I actually ended up doing it because I like the stock look of the clear lens right here, and the other one looks good, and it's also glass, so that's pretty cool. But I actually like how the stock looks, and then you turn on the lights and, well, they're LEDs. You wouldn't expect the originals to be LEDs, so it's really up to you. Go check them out. I just want to show you how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the install. Thanks again for watching the videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay safe. Take care. Peace.